In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to successfully connect your AutoDS account to your Shopify store. We will go through this process in a simple manner, and by the end of this tutorial, you will be proficient in this task. Let's kick things off by launching your AutoDS account. Navigate your way to the sidebar, where you will find an option saying Add Store. This is where you will be adding your Shopify store. Make sure to click on this button, which will then present you with various selling channel options. You will need to select Shopify store from these options, and afterwards just click on the Continue button. Don't worry, it's all straightforward and intuitive. Once done with above steps, you will be given two options to choose from. If you are here to connect an existing Shopify store to your AutoDS account, you should choose the option saying, I have a Shopify store. Simple as that. At this point, you have successfully added your Shopify store to AutoDS. Let's move ahead with the process. Now, it's time to install the AutoDS application on your Shopify store. Post the process related to your store, you will find yourself being redirected to a new page. This page facilitates the installation of the AutoDS application on your Shopify store. To proceed further, just click on the Install button available on this page. Hold tight as you are almost done. A new screen will pop up, asking you to confirm the installation. Here, you simply need to click on the button saying Install App. As soon as you do this, it authorizes the connection between the application and your store. Once you have clicked on Install App, you will notice that you have been redirected back to the AutoDS platform. And you know what? Congratulations are in order. The AutoDS app is installed, and the connection to your Shopify store is authenticated. To verify this, look for a confirmation message. This message will reassure you that all the steps have been followed correctly. As a final step, take a quick look at the Stores section on your AutoDS dashboard. You should now see your Shopify store listed here. That's it. You have now successfully connected your AutoDS account to your Shopify store. Feel proud of yourself, you did it. Not too difficult, right? Keep practicing, and very soon you will master this procedure like a pro. Now go ahead, explore, and make the most out of your newly connected platforms.